Better breakfast with no bowl, no spoon. It keeps the milk and cereal separated in the same container until you sip it.
It's just the perfect ratio of milk and cereal, like in every bite.
I hate soggy marshmallows.
There you go. Problem solved.
Love them, but no matter how hard you try, they just don't quite come out right. And who can live without the GPS in the car? You can never reach it when that important turn comes around. Trying to prop up your phone for hands-free driving is almost impossible. Until now, meet NanoHold. Nano suction for your mobile device, smartphones, and tablets. NanoHold looks simple, but with nano suction technology, NanoHold material has millions of microscopic suction cups. NanoHold sticks without being sticky, so you can place your smartphone or tablet on many smooth, flat surfaces. Taking group photos with your phone can be as easy as a simple stick by using NanoHold with your phone. Now everyone can get in the picture. In the car, NanoHold makes any phone hands-free. Feels safe to chat with friends. Just stick and go wherever the road may lead you. Getting ready on the go is always a challenge. But with the nano suction technology, NanoHold gives you an extra hand when you need it. Make it easy to give your recipe a look while you're trying to cook. Work on your car hands-free while still being able to see. Have easy access and never lose your phone in the piles on your desk again. NanoHold adds a new dimension to your smart devices. With revolutionary nano suction technology, you can place your smartphone or tablet on many smooth, flat surfaces, leaving you hands-free. The ultra-slim profile of NanoHolds doesn't change the size of your phone, so it will still fit in your pocket or the side pockets of your purse. NanoHold, the nano suction for your mobile device that will make the people in your life smile. NanoHold, simple and easy to use for your smartphone and tablet. Get your NanoHold today.
Engineered for outdoor or emergency use, the eTech City water filter straw allows you to instant access to clean, drinkable water from almost any unfiltered freshwater source, including rivers, lakes, and tap water. This is how it works. Unfiltered water enters through the inlet piece and passes through an advanced double filtration system comprised of a hollow fiber UF membrane and antibacterial carbon filter, trapping 99.9% of waterborne pathogens, so you can enjoy fresh, safe drinking water. The water filter straw is built for wanderlust travelers, featuring a lightweight yet durable design so you can easily store it in your survival kit, camping gear, or hiking backpack. To increase your water capacity, the straw is compatible with standard threaded bottles and hydration reservoirs. A foldable water pouch for filtered drinking on the go is also included. To drink directly from a water source, remove the outlet cap. Then submerge the inlet piece in the water and sip from the mouthpiece. If you can't directly reach the water source, use the extension tube to extend your reach. If you're trying to drink from a more turbid water containing contaminants, simply attach the included pre-filter to the inlet piece firmly before sipping. To clean the straw, fill the backwash device with clean water, then hold it against the mouthpiece while pushing the plunger down to wash the inner filtration system. Repeat as necessary. Whether you're camping, hiking, or amidst a natural disaster, the water filter straw provides pure drinking water whenever and wherever.